and then simply click on save, and I'll print this. When I print it, you have a number of copies. My recommendation is you select one copy from this and further tweak into that particular copy. So let's say template number 1, office copy. So this is how the office copy would look like, attached as well, row number 1. And in your customer copy, this is how the customer copy looks like. The team have disabled the width and the height from here. And if you want to further modify this, example, if I go to your backend, under the calculations, I'll just go to LB. Now, I was working with product roller blinds, and these are tick boxes, visibility tick boxes. So if you don't want, let's say, all these options in the customer copy, if you just deactivate it and then print it, it'll only show what you want them to see. And that applies for office copy and your factory order forms.